Hi, in this video I'm going to show text-to-video AI generator. First option is copy and paste your script here, and when you click to proceed. Second is when you have your article on your website and you want to turn it into video. It's very simple. You just click on proceed when you have your script or text ready. Copy paste your text, click to proceed. And here I used my own script, just for example, to make a video. Add visuals related to your product, search images, paste keywords that you want to target. For example, if you want to target cars, or just type and enter search. You can choose audio. You just choose voiceover. My favorite is Kendra. Press play and you can choose voiceover that you like. You can choose background music and press and play, and after you have done it, you just press to apply and music will be added to your video. Also, you can highlight text into your video. Just click on this text and you choose it and you press highlight. You can choose highlight color of your text. For example, mine is green. And when you are ready, you generate video. It's very simple and easy. You can start making new videos today. Simply visit maketextandvideo.com.